This was terrible. Awful. Worst mistake ever.
All right, boys and girls, we are at an undisclosed location, and we're going to be working on something we don't normally work on, but gets used a lot around the garage. So, go ahead and take you in and show you what we got here. Oh yeah! You gotta get that in there too. So this thing barely fits. Like, we're touching here, and we're barely over here. But we're in, so we're gonna get this thing some much needed TLC. This trailer has done a ton for all of us. It's been used and abused. It's 2009, so it's over 10 years old. And it's made 3 trips across the country, and God knows how many trips up and down the East Coast. So we're gonna go ahead and get it blasted and primed and painted and new lights and the whole 9 yards, you know, getting everything ready for the move. So we're gonna be spending some time in there today, getting that thing all done. I just wanted to make sure it was gonna fit, so I just kind of pushed it in and closed the doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, probably pull it out a bit, because we gotta strip all the lights and all the other shit off, but I'll probably turn on the camera once we get into doing something that's actually interesting.
Don't be filming this illegal shit.
Don't worry, we don't want to have this thing mixed over there.
Hand me my suit, my helmet, and my boots, please.
Your helmet's, I moved it to this side. I figured you put up that one, and I put it over here to run the reclaim.
Yeah, oh, I need
Yeah. So yeah, we got her in here. It's a little sketchy. What she should do.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, you gotta lock that one. There it goes. You're good. All right, let's see if this thing even fires up. Now start over. Look at the big brain on Brad.
Do we have nitrile gloves?
No, I got really big gloves.
Oh yeah, but
gloves.
my hands get sweaty and I don't want to get fungus in my...
Your fungi?
Yeah.
I have no idea. We can go looking.
Well, it's been a late night. It is 2:30 in the morning. We are 99.9% done with the trailer. Blasting it.
Yeah, you should show them the trailer.
Yeah, I already told them about it.
But to just show them it.
But it's on here.
What time is it?
2:16.
Jesus Christ.
That's my dog. This was terrible. Awful. Worst mistake ever. You know what Brian does best?
Bruh.
Not know
You
what
ain't
it
giving this shit up so we can go home, dickbag.
is. We need footage.
You can film and do stuff. I do it all of the goddamn time.
I'm commentating though.
I also do that. I'm gonna go show them the trailer.
Yeah, get the paint out and start shaking it. And the paint shake for 500.
I don't know how to use that thing. I don't think we're gonna be able to put this in the paint shaker.
Oh, the paint shaker will work.
Don't think the can has the structural integrity.
Well,
It's
it has
squished.
It has to. So, unless you want to shake it by hand. So, it has to.
Well, if it explodes,
Well, I mean, that's unless you want to shake this up by hand. It has to go in there.
Again, if it explodes, we're not gonna have any primer. That's gonna be a problem.
Okay, well, what do you want me to do? Just shoot fucking thinner
Listen,
and no solids, or what?
I want you to not break it.
So, do you want me to shoot primer, or do you want me to shoot thinner?
Shake it by hand.
Okay, you shake it by hand.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I got a red one.
Clearly, you're not going to be doing any painting today.
What do you mean? You don't know that.
I do know that. Here, take it. Shake it by hand. We don't have an option. If it blows up, then you just gotta get more primer. Because I'm just gonna leave it. It would just be primer everywhere.
I don't think this can is structurally sound for this.
Are you gonna shake it up by hand?
Look at this thing.
Are you gonna shake it up by hand? I need to know.
I don't.
Well, if they didn't lube this thing to fucking all hell and back, or it comes loose.
I do not trust that.
Oh.
Oh, come on, don't, Joe.
Are you gonna shake it by hand or no? I'm not shaking it by hand.
My butthole's puckered. You hiding your face with that.
It's not my shop.
You gotta shake it every now and then.
What?
Is it good? Stop it.
It's not good. It's gonna take a while to shake this.
No, I mean, like, make sure it's still holding it right.
Oh, I don't know. Why are you so scared?
Because I don't have any more primer, and it's not exactly the easiest thing to come by.
They recommend using to clean the gun. Is MEK, because that's what they use to thin this.
Boom. So there's the trailer. And it is scam blasted. It looks pretty good. Just gotta clean up all the media that's on it. So yeah, we're getting this thing. Hey, what do you think about taking straps and hanging this trailer?
No.
Because you gotta get underneath the paint.
Yeah, well, no shit, Brian. No.
Do you want to just leave it up, put it up on jack stands?
You can jack it up a lot higher here.
No fun in that.
Okay. Well, then you could paint the hole underneath.
I think it would be way cooler to hang it. YOLO, right?
No, you do have a port, a spout pour to it. Place.
I did not know that.
You do. It's for a gallon jug. Put it on it. It pours it.
Remember when I asked you, what else do I need? And you're like, Red Bull, and that was all you said?
Well, I mean, these are just like typical everyday things. You know, I didn't say underwear or
I'm not wearing it.
fucking shirt or shorts either.
I wear this all the time, actually, so...
I didn't say
This
glasses. I didn't say debris.
This is out of the ordinary stuff, so yeah, no, definitely... Oh, you were making such a mess.
No, I need to.
So we got everything primed. Looking good.
So it's 1 to 1 to quarter.
To coat it.
So if I do 6, if I do
Oh, you didn't paint the inside of the box.
no, I didn't do this. I didn't talk about it.
What? We did? Oh, what did we talk about? I don't remember that. Just hit up the rhino line.
Probably your best bet.
That's fine, yeah, not kidding.
I mean, I'm gonna hit it with this.
Oh, are you?
Blue, yeah, get some coating in there.